Guys, I've been asked by a few of you to make a short video on how to de-restrict the Inokim OXO electric scooter. From the factory it comes set locked to 15 miles an hour in terms of top speed, but actually you can unlock that to about 40 miles an hour. It's a very, very simple process. I've been asked it a couple of times by a few folks, so I decided today I'm going to make a video. Coming right up. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Scene Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. And if you haven't stopped by here before, please be sure to click on the subscribe button, click on that like button and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is British summer. I wanted to make this video outside, but it's absolutely hammering it down with rain. So instead, I'm in the garage. I'm making this video on how to de-restrict the Inokim OXO electric scooter from its factory 15 miles an hour to the full-blown 40 miles an hour. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is the middle button on and off. I'm going to turn this on. So press and hold the button for a second, and basically what you've got is the display. You've got your battery level, you've got your trip meter, you've got the speed because the motor's got 3 speeds, and you've got in the top left your miles per hour or kilometers per hour, wherever you set your units. So in order to get into these menus, what you're going to do is the top and bottom button, plus and minus, you're going to press and hold that. That's going to take you into B1 option 1. From there you press the middle button, which is the power on off button. That's going to take you into set 2 menu. Now mine's flashing at 14 miles an hour because I've set mine to miles per hour, not kilometers per hour, but yours might say something like 20 kilometers per hour or something like that. Anyway, whichever it is, that's what it will come from factory, because I've set mine back to factory settings. Now what you need to do in order to get to the next set of hidden menus, you need to press and hold all 3 buttons down together. So I'm going to try and do that. That takes me into menu 7, and that's giving me the indication of the size of the wheels that I've got. Now you need to press all 3 buttons down again. That's going to take me to menu option 8, and you can see 15 is flashing, and that is for 15 miles per hour. Now there's only 2 options here, quite frankly, because this is the maximum that you're going to set. So the maximum speed that you're going to set. So basically, if I push this plus button at the top, it's going to go to 40. Because I'm in miles per hour, it's going to 40 miles an hour. That is setting the maximum that this scooter is going to be able to travel. So again, if I press plus again, it goes back to 15. So the 2 presets are either 15 miles per hour, which is the factory preset, or it's 40 miles per hour. I'm going to push the button, the top button, the plus button, set mine to 40. And to validate that, I push the plus button. So now I've gone back to B1, push the plus button again, I've gone into B2. Now from here, I can set the variable speed. So this is set at 14, I can go all the way down, because remember, 15 and 40 are maximum speeds. So I can go all the way down to 1 mile an hour if well, actually I can't, I can go to 4 miles an hour. But anyway, what I'm going to do is go up, or in this case I can go down and get to 40, and that's going to be my maximum. So I've set the speed that I want to go and the maximum speed. So I press the on off button again, press and hold it again, because this is going to some other settings, and there I am, I'm at the main menu again. Now if I want to check that and validate that I've actually set my speed correctly, it's flashing at B1, press and hold the power button, and there you can see it's gone into set menu. It's showing me that the speed is set at 40 miles per hour. And from there, just exit out, and that's it, all done. So guys, there you have it. Very, very easy process, takes less than 2 or 3 minutes to actually do it. The key is press and hold the plus and minus button, You know, you go into B1, press and hold the power button, you go into menu 2. There you've got your variable speed, so set your variable speed. From there, press and hold the all 3 buttons down. You get into menu 7, press and hold all 3 buttons down again. You get into menu 8, and from there you set the maximum speed that you want. So like I said, you can have anything up to those maximum speeds. So the one that you set in B2, you kind of set the variable speed, but the one you set in B8, you set either the 15 miles an hour or the 40 miles an hour as your maximum. So guys, what I'll do is I will leave a description in the description box below of this procedure anyway. Hopefully you could follow on with the video and it didn't look too complicated. Like I said, I'd like to have made it outside. Lighting's a bit of an issue. It's pouring down with rain. Absolutely rubbish weather, typical summer. I don't think we've had any decent weather for ages, but there we go. That's a different story. But guys, if you've got any comments, questions, or the video wasn't clear enough, please leave me some comments in the comments section below. If you like the video, click the thumbs up, click on the subscribe button, and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Guys, thanks for watching. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.